back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so for today's video, I'm taking you into like a little classroom setting. I have my laptop here, so I'm in school. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so as you can't tell if you can't tell by the title of this video, I got my glasses, I got my pencil, I got my eraser. Yeah, it's an actual like eraser, so I can make that joke. Okay, from San Francisco. San Francisco. How do you do? Alright guys, so for today's video, I will be taking a third grade. No! I went to go get a snack because I'm like kind of starving. Today, I will be taking a third grade math tests. I will be taking third grade math tests today on multiplication and a bonus one, a division. So I printed out my worksheets. So I've actually honestly been wanting to do this video for like a long ass time. I think I have like a screenshot on my phone somewhere. It was from like years ago. Like this has been like, I really wanted to do this because I miss that feeling. Third grade class, my teacher's name was Miss Liba. So you know, if you're out there, like I miss you. She was like one of the best teachers I ever had. And then I hated Miss Johnson in fourth grade, but you know, whatever. We don't talk about her. There was this girl, her name was Evelina, I think. And like, you know, we were all like you know, obviously you want to finish first because it's a 1-minute time test, right? And I always like would need help because it was either like, it was like 4 or 5 people that were like fast and lit and really smart, you know, and I was kind of like up there-ish. And you know, I took time to get up there too, but, and whenever like I'd be like, fuck, I don't know what it is, and I'd be like, and then she would literally be like, because she'd finish first, she'd be like, 36, and I was like, like, you know, she hooked me up because it was like 3 times 12, and I was like, I didn't know what the fuck that was back then. Obviously, you know, I obviously know now, but like, you know, when you're like starting to learn stuff, you're like, fuck. Yeah, that was fun. That's like a core memory, you know, type of thing. So yeah, I'll put this aside, my snack. Can you imagine if your desks were like this wide when you were like young? I think they were actually, never mind. But imagine if you had like a snack all like, you know, on the side. I could have actually eaten for once. No, I'm kidding. I'm going to actually start with, this is a multiplication drill of 12s. This one is multiplication by 0, 1, 2, 5, and 10. And this one's multiplying by 8. Multiplying by 8 and 9. And division mad minutes. Not that it wasn't bad division, you know, I just, you know, it's just like, I feel like it was almost like when something's too easy, I'm just like, I don't even want to do it, you know, because like, that's why I think I like lagged, or like, you know, I've procrastinated a lot, because I was just like, easy, I could just, you know, do it like that, and then I didn't do it, like, I could have done like that, but I waited till the last minute and didn't, but like, maybe I just like pressure, I don't know. But yeah, so we're going to start. Remember, you have to write your name and date. It's gonna be so weird. I haven't written like the year and like shit and everything, and my name in like a long ass time. It's so weird. Oh, and also like I had not boyfriend at the time. I think I did actually. His name is Michelangelo, and he was also kind of like low key up there, but like he was, you know, less than me. But like, you know, like he would also be like fast, and we'd all be fast. There was this other guy named like, not LeBron. Fuck, what's his name? Fuck, I forgot. But like he was so funny. He was like the class clown, like, you know. But he was smart as fuck. Like, it's crazy. Yeah, I don't know where I left off, but basically I had some rivals in the class. Not rivals, but you know, like just people that I'm like, oh, or like, you know, in PE when you better be faster with them. I had Eduardo. That was fun. But you know, and then not the Eduardo you guys are used to see. This other one from elementary. There was Ernesto and Andy. They were so smart, and I hated them for being smart because I was like, you know, and I'd be like, fuck, when like Ernesto would finish first, I'd be like, ooh, like, because I wanted to be first. You know, the competition. But then, and then honestly, there's some days I didn't give a fuck, and then there's days when I actually got first, I was like, I give a fuck, but like, you know, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, it was good memories, so it was fun. And I love like doing math because I was so good at it. I still am, so I think I am. So that's what we're gonna check today. Let's see if I'm still good at doing this stuff. Alright guys, so let's get into it. This is so fun. Okay. That ass I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. So I'm just excited. Actually, fuck. I got some jelly on my fingers. So I'm in class. I'm kidding. I'm literally using my sister's chair under her desk right now. So if you see this. Okay. Just pretend, okay? Thank you. Thank you for letting me use your desk. I didn't want to move my desk because I have so much shit on it and it's heavy, and then I don't want to like, you know, fuck up my, you know, I don't want to be like, I can't take my desk, so that's why I had to move it and use her. It's fine. Anyway, should I also take the time to incorporate my name? I think so. Let's just try it. I'm really scared. This is the first one, okay? So, ready and start. Okay. I don't know today's date. Fuck. 40, 120. Ooh, fuck. No, I think I fucked up on that one. Shit. Oh god, this is harder than I thought, guys. God damn. Fuck. Guys, I didn't even finish. This was really hard. I haven't even done this in forever. Damn. So let's just try the next. Oh, girl, there's a piece of trash on there. I think I'll just write my name first. I think that's what she allowed us to do. I completely forgot, so I included writing my name, and that took a while because I don't remember it, and I kind of got confused, and it took a lot of time thinking about the date, and I didn't even know the date. I think today's 26, so I'll just write my name because that's what they allowed us to do. This is today's January 26th, 2022. I always gotta add my star. You already know what I'm saying. Let's see how this goes. Okay, number 2, and start. I got it. Wait, what? Why do I keep on forgetting if I literally just did it? Okay, no, I fucked up. Oh, no. No, I got it. I corrected myself. Okay. Okay. I literally completely messed up. I could have done this so fast when I was younger. Fuck. That was more intense. At least I was like happy that I got like at least halfway. And the last one, this one, I literally only got like a fucking third. Oh, I'm a little disappointed, but I mean, I don't really go fuck because like, you know, I'm doing this for grade. I'm just doing this for fun. Hopefully multiplying by 8 comes through, so we'll see. This is so weird. This is fun though. Like, I think I'm just gonna keep on erasing everything and just keep on trying. Like, I know we're all watching EUPHORIA right now, so if you guys want like a little rush like brew or something, I suggest doing multiplication. Yeah, okay. What's today's date again? I don't even know if I wrote. Oh no, it's January. I don't know why I want to be in the future already. Okay. 2022. Okay. I think I'm just not comfortable with 12s yet. Fuck. Just like throw back to 3rd grade. Okay. I'm usually really good at this. Now, like, that also I was amazing. Like, if you guys were in class, like, I feel like lit. Starts. Oh fuck! I fucked up already. That's my dog. She's getting comfortable. Damn. Okay, also it's like a little bit like difficult because it's like, fuck. I'm kidding. I don't keep on giving myself excuses, but like I just don't know. I can't let that one smart, but damn, I got a lot more done. I think the thing that trips me up is like more memorizing rather than actually like trying to do the math. And go. Oh my god, I have to tell you guys something, but I forgot. But remind me. Oof. Okay, that was more fun because it incorporated more numbers that I liked. I wrote 18, really funky. I wrote it like it literally looks like I1 like C, because I swooped my 8 hella, and I forgot that like afterwards when we were done we would all switch around, like, you know, like, oh, your neighbor's gonna grade it, or we're gonna collect it and then we're all gonna grade it. Then this stupid ass bitch would be like, this number doesn't look like this, it actually looks like this. And they're like, and then they'd like look and they're like it's wrong, or like, yeah, it's right. And it's like, you really can't fucking tell. Like, you can clearly see that that's meant to be an 8, or like, you know, oh, I hated those people. And I was never that fucking person to be like, well, because like, I was like, look, if you got it wrong, it's clearly obvious. If you got it right, it's clearly obvious, so. And like, we're freaking like rushed and pressured. Like, you're really expecting to be like, take my time to like write nice letters, like write nice numbers. Like, no, like, girl, I'm rushed. So anyway, I got a little because I just remembered about that. Anyway, I corrected it, the 8, so I could look more. So I took time to do that, but because I got it in my head, you know, but as if someone was actually gonna correct me. But let's do division now. I think this is just dividing by 2s. Should be easy. I don't know if I'm gonna finish in time though, because I gotta write fast, and haven't been doing that in a cool minute, girl. Go. Oof! I literally couldn't finish. This is pretty good, honestly. Like, this is pretty good. It was also easy because it's just dividing by 2. So I graded myself. And the first time I put 12 times 10, I put 120, I got it right. And then for the next worksheet, for some reason, I got really tripped up and I put 10 times 12 is 121. So I got those 2 wrong. Basically, the 12's multiplication, I would have gotten, like, I would have low-key, like, failed in a way. But, like, I did not do well, girl. Like, And then the rest, I did pretty good, not gonna lie. Like, I would have passed for the division when I put 2 divided by 18 is 6, and then I was like, you know, while I was doing it, I was like, oh no, that's 9, like the server on top. But there'd be that little like kid in class, and they'd probably be like when you were correcting, you know, because we all corrected each other's papers, they'd probably be like, this person put a 6 and it looks like you put a 9 on top. And then I'd be like, girl, like, I got it right. Like, obviously you can see the correct ones off. Do you think I'd have the time to like write the numbers nice, or like erase everything? So thanks guys for joining me and doing some math tests, quizzes. This was fun. I've always wanted to do this, so I got what I've always wanted. So this was fun. I highly recommend if you guys, you know, just want to like low-key pastime or want to live back those moments. Maybe you guys will do really like well this time compared to back then, or horrible like me. No. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you guys like this video, and if you guys like me, or if it's your first time, hey. And about talking about the last video, Ray and Cookie, they were doing really well. My sister thought that she died or he killed her. And he didn't. He just had like this like pimple on his butt, and like it's like just like, you know, when you have a pimple, it like kind of like either pus comes out or something comes out and blood came out then. But like he's fine. He's good. He's getting better. He's really good. He really cares about Cookie. It's so cute. They're like sleeping with each other. Cause like she told me that like some male mice, she's out right now, they get like, they could be very like aggressive, kind of like, you know, because they want to like, you know, have sexual intercourse with like the female. But because he's never actually lived with a female before, he's just been like with male, or like because we separated him and Zappelli too, because like they would like kind of like fight and we didn't want them hurting each other, so we were like, you know, well, like she was like, you know, I didn't say we, because but yeah, they're really good. Like he's like really like nice. He respects her, like, because he's more curious about her, because she's like she's the first female that he's ever encountered in his life, you know. So he was kind of little like, oh, like kind of wanting to sniff her her intimate area part. So But like, you know, but Cookie, she snaps at him. She's like, ah! And she squeaks. Like, I'm like, damn, girl. But like, you know, it's cute because it's her like personality. Oh, and look, my tattoos, like, I don't even think you could see it at this point. Because I want to let it grow out, but then I don't. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully, like, I want to get like Kawaki's hairstyle, so hopefully. But yeah. Oh, that's the mice. I was like, who was that? Alright guys, bye, see you later.